So guys, what's up? Today, Sinan Beys is going to create a metal Beyblade with ball type contact points. First, you'll need a broken bearing, just like the one Sinan has right now. Start by placing the frame with the metal ring, then attach all the metal balls like this using glue. This forms the layer's base. Sinan initially intended to make this Beyblade part of the metal series, but for improved performance and better grip, he decided to go with a burst Beyblade. Now, our layer is complete. For the bottom, you'll need a plastic part like this, which you can get these from bicycle bells or simply use a bottle cap. Finally, for a ball type Beyblade, Sinan is using a ball type tip. Your likes and positive comments truly inspire Sinan to create more videos, but this video would mean a lot to us if you hit that subscribe button down below.
Start go!
Whoa! So, what are you waiting for?